So, hi guys. So, the day has arrived. Tomorrow we are leaving. Almost packing is done. Bags are done. थोड़ा बहुत रह गया है बस. Little things left. I have to prepare the meals and meet my family, say goodbye. So, tomorrow is a big day. Yes. Yes.
यशस्वी व्हा.
Yes. जिंकून यायचं.
इथं
येस ते इथं आहे. ते इथं आहे. जिंकून यायचं. मागच्या वेळी थोड्यासाठी राहिलो
कोणी यायचं नाही, जिंकलंच
पाहिजे. मागच्या वेळी थोड्यासाठी राहिले, त्यावेळी जिंकून यायचं.
All the best, always best wishes, Harmeet.
बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Yes. So many sleepless nights.
Win. Goodness, येणार का?
Almost packing is kind of done. Yes. Almost. झालं. Yes.
Yes. All the best.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So, hi, good morning. This is the day. This is my first meal. Now we'll be moving. I'm having sweet potato, egg, and chicken. That's my first meal. That's my mom. Long waited, this day has come. So we are on the way right now, heading Pune. From Pune, I have my flight to Delhi. So I have my brother here, Ganesham, and my friends, Saurabh. So this is it. So it will take us almost around 1.5 hours to reach Pune. Then some things in the gym. I have to do my body scan. Some meals I'll have. Second meal, third meal. Today is the day 4th when I'll be loading heavy carbohydrates. So my body will hold up glycogen and water in my muscle. Stay tuned and you can follow everything I'll be uploading. Hi guys. So there's a quite a bit situation right now. So I reached Pune. So I was unloading my bags and then I found out that my unknowingly, mistakenly, accidentally, my younger brother kept one of the luggage bag which had the laptop, the MacBook, everything that required for the shoot and all documents, and it's still at home. So I have only now 2 hours left to reach to the airport and the bag has to reach. We're still managing. I'm freaking out, but I don't want to stress because if cortisol, aldosterone hormones just start leaking off, then it's not good for me. So I'm trying to calm myself, but still we believe it will be managed and we'll have the bags. So this is right now my second meal going on. I had some rice and the chicken. He is Satish. He's my friend. He's a fitness coach and he's also coming with me. So he's a guy who has supported me. He's one of the finest coaches, and let's see how things work out. Still eating. Freaking late. So, what happened is we got late and we started calling out our name and we had to run. So that's why I'm rushing and eating it in the plane. I need to eat it now.
हमको पहले बोला गया है कि गेट नंबर 4 पे वेट करो आफ्टर चेक इन, लेकिन हम लोग सारा मील्स वगैरह प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे. सडनली हमें अनाउंसमेंट मिला कि हम लोग को रीच आउट करना है गेट नंबर 9 पे. तो हम लोग के पास बहुत कम टाइम था. हम लोग रन करते करते हम लोग ने फ्लाइट पकड़ा है. नाउ आदित्य इज हैविंग हिज थर्ड मील, 2 राइस केक एंड हनी. नाउ वी आर रेडी टू टेक ऑफ.
So finally we have reached. It was very damn hectic. It was like we got late. My luggage, half of my luggage is still at home. My brother is sending it by courier. Then we had to rush. They gave us a wrong boarding and gate and we have to run from here to there. It was a mess. Another thing, I did not sleep all night. So I'm too exhausted now. I'm just gonna go find my Airbnb. Like, you got the number, right? Yes. So go just the Airbnb. I'm going to sleep. Have my 4th meal and just sleep. That's all.
ब्रांड वगैरह कुछ है?
हाँ,
उसका
वही।
क्या ब्रांड है?
Arrow, I think so.
एरो।
मेरा पानी भी उसी में. नहीं,
दूसरी ब्रांड?
ब्रांड भी अलग है. उसका स्ट्रक्चर भी अलग है. So finally, what's the time now? It's 6:11. Almost the entire day is lost. In the morning, my laptop bag got misplaced, and now they just didn't deport my bag from Pune. So 2 hours wasted on the airport. Now stuck in the traffic. Somehow managed to do my meals. Now just want to go home, wash up and go for gym. Stressed out, fully stressed out. But one more samasya, a scam. So what I saw on the internet about the Airbnb is not how it looks. I bought this for a good kitchen, but there's no good kitchen. But now we are with nothing. It's almost 8 o'clock. I don't know whether I'll be able to do gym today. Going out for grocery and we'll be preparing tomorrow's meals. Tomorrow is registration day. So still my bag is at the airport. They have not yet given me my bag, my luggage. So have to go at the airport in the night again. Kind of a BT, but hoping it will be a good trip overall. So we are waiting. It's how much? It's almost 11 past 12. We are still waiting for the bag because the whole day you have seen us running for bag. So now the bag is coming.